As this Ukrainian drone came in to destroy an abandoned Russian tank, the initial attack didn't go quite as planned. As going in for a low drop, the payload seems to be some burnable liquid, as the drone catches fire, leading the drone operator to do some quick thinking and turning the drone into a kamikaze Molotov cocktail drone, starting a fire on top of the turret, leading to the ERA block's sensor and camouflage net getting damaged, turning the mishap into the best possible outcome, damaging another of Russia's tanks. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.